father's footsteps. Let me retrace them in my memories of him. With these words, let me go down upon the Cumberland. And there I, upon the rock-slab shore, by the ripple and the flow, skip stones flat and gray. Out across the cool river water, glinting in the bright sunlight of the afternoon of a Saturday, summer day. Let me look along the towering rock wall, cut by the ages, above the riverside, and view the trees growing along the edges, their roots reaching down over the ledges. Someday upon that golden shore, onward to heaven he entreated forevermore my father and his converted congregation soon upon that shore of pale clean stone. He will take some of them by their hands and arms, speaking prayerful words to calm alarm. White cloth over each face lowering, each one beneath the green waters of the Cumberland, to seal their souls and secure them